Yeah, we just got to the campsite, and I did that earlier. It's a little muddier than we thought, but we're in this campsite, and that's the rim way out over there. We're gonna go hike and explore tomorrow, and then we're gonna be able to put our ramp down. We had a lesson learned last time. We're gonna do a ramp this time, and I raked. Everything's sort of clean, minus being dirty and muddy. There's Emily.
I'm playing Flora's Lava with Emily. Here we go. And I'm getting yelled at. Let's go find her. Where are we going? Whoa. Oh, I saw that. Cheater.
Pretend there was a water.
Oh, okay. Oh, your leg's burned up.
Yeah.
Show me where the edge is. Oh, we're not going over the edge. Oh, is this the little path Daddy was talking about?
Yes.
I see. Go over here. It's gonna be okay. Oh my goodness.
Hold on to the tree.
I'm holding the tree. Woo! Don't want to fall off. Now what?
Okay, I think we have to go up because that's scary.
What? That scares you?
Yes,
Yeah.
that does.
Me too. No worries. It's getting windy anyways. Emily, where's your song? What?
Hi. How you doing?
No.
Do you see it?
Oh my gosh. That's your face. There you go.
Hey guys, what are you doing? What are you doing, guys?
What are you doing? Go look at this. Look. See that fort?
Look at that fort. Wait, where is it? Oh, I see it. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna come in.
Smile, girl.
Hi.
Did you hate when you're having a fire problem in front of a fire?
You guys gotta sing happy birthday super fast.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, blow it out.
Yeah,
Yay,
give me,
Mom,
give me,
happy
yeah, birthday. All right.
Good
Thanks.
job.
Do this.
Chair pose.
Do it.
It's called the chair pose.
Oh, I don't like it. Hi.
Were you punching?
Yeah, it's an exercise.
Yeah. Don't kick your sister.
I know. What was this one? I don't even know how to do that. I do.
Push-up time.
Hi.
Emily, your push-ups are funny. You go, girl.
Go, go.
Ooh, good one. Hey, Emily, follow this way. This way. All right, guys, we're gonna have to go through this lava section. Are you ready? Okay, Emily, you go first. That's a big one. Woo! Doing the floor is lava. Where should we go? Oh, look at this field.
Kill the zombie.
Zombies? What are we killing zombies with?
Sticks.
Oh, okay.
Bone arrows and guns. I want to have it. Okay, slide on your booty on this one. Okay.
Oh, you're tough.
What happened?
Ouch.
Can I see?
Oh, check it out. Here we go. See ya. Woo. Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
Okay, you might have to follow me. It's close.
Woo! Oh, I tripped over that one, huh? Better watch where you're going.
Ah! I'm in the lava. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go.
Easter!
Go!
Go, go, go. Yeah, go, go, go. Now what? Oh, nice.
Go find more. My sister finds them all. Run, run, run.
This is the coolest one.
What'd you find? What is that?
No bucket.
Show me.
Oh.
Oh, amazing. Nice. Okay, go.
What's that?
Now get the basket.
Get the basket.
Whoa. It's this. I just wanna.
What is it?
It's a spinning rabbit.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look, it's the Easter Bunny. Let's see. What do you guys have in your baskets? Come show me. Wow.
I got a. You guys come here.
Come here, let me see. Wow.
Wow. That's a lot.
Okay, Easter Sunday. The girls have their Easter stuff,
I got a lot of jelly beans.
and we are getting ready for a
Easter hunt.
Easter hunt. No, we already did that. Don't forget to change the GoPro batteries before a hike. Just in case. Who? Just in case. You know, that guy. All right, family hike time.
Come on.
Where are we? Wilson Lake?
Willow.
Willow. W. Willow.
And I was off the ground. See? Oh my. Oh.
Or you could build a ramp and go down to the right. That's pretty sweet too. Let's go.
coconuts.
Oh, it's yum.
What is that?
Ladybug, I just found it. It's tickly.
Here. All right, that's good. Here.
Yeah, time for a dip. Yeah. Here, try this one, see? Okay. You hold it however you want, but keep a finger here, because when you fling it, it's got to be like this. You fling it, and then it rolls off like this and spins. So watch, ready? Watch it slow motion. See, it goes like that. So when you fling it, boom. Do you know how to throw sideways? Copy Daddy like this. You want to throw low. There you go. I would hold it so your front finger's over that front lip. Oh. Oh, look at this big tree. Whoa. It's huge. Yep, looks like it goes up a little bit. Okay, there you go. Very careful, you might slip. So,
And it's
rock might
probably
be slippery there.
really cold.
So is
So
that
cold,
nice?
so cold. So cold, so cold.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Yeah, baby. Check it out. There's blue way up there. We made it. You made it, Emily. All right. Good job. That's not nice.
Once you've begun.
He's driving. Yeah. I did the hard part though. She gets to do the fun part. Driving out of the campsite. Kids, how'd you like the trip?
Good.
Wow. Still nice. This is our leaving day. Everybody already left. The road is empty.